So guys, today I have made this video about MacBook Air. In this MacBook, there was a trackpad issue that many users face, and most of the time they get confused and think it is a hardware problem. The issue was related to double tap, which is also called tap to click. Normally, when you lightly tap on the trackpad, it should work as a click. But in this MacBook, when I tap on the trackpad, nothing happens. Every time, I had to press the trackpad physically, which feels uncomfortable and slows down work. Many users think that the trackpad is damaged or needs replacement. Some even go to a repair shop and spend money. But the actual problem is very simple. First, I want to clearly show you the problem, so you understand it properly. As you can see, when I tap once or double tap on the trackpad, there is no response. Only when I press it hard, the click works. This problem mostly happens after macOS update, or sometimes settings change automatically, or when someone else uses your MacBook and changes trackpad settings. That is why I always say, before thinking about hardware repair, always check software settings first. Now that you understand the issue clearly, I will show you exactly how I fixed it. First of all, I clicked on Launchpad. From Launchpad, I opened System Preferences. After System Preferences opened, I clicked on Trackpad. Now, inside Trackpad Settings, I clicked on Point and Click. Here, you will see different options related to clicking and tapping. Now carefully look for an option called Tap to Click. In my case, this option was disabled, and that is the main reason why double tap was not working. I simply enabled Tap to Click. As soon as I enabled it, I tested the trackpad again. Now when I lightly tap on the trackpad, the click works perfectly without pressing. If in your MacBook this option is already enabled and still not working, then do one thing. Turn Tap to Click off. Wait for a few seconds, and then turn it on again. This refreshes the setting and fixes the issue in most cases. This is a software setting issue, not a hardware problem. So there is no need to change the trackpad, and no need to waste money on repair. This simple method works on most MacBook Air models and different macOS versions. I hope this video helps you and saves your time and money. If this solution worked for you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more MacBook and laptop solutions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.